A lot of people ask me, how does my pre-existing injury affect my current personal injury case? Well, it can help and it can hurt. And let me give you a couple examples where it can help and where it can hurt. So there's a doctrine called the eggshell plaintiff, and we learned this in law school. And what it said is that we shouldn't penalize the plaintiff if he was born with an eggshell as a skull, meaning that if it took less force to crack a skull, we shouldn't hold it against him because that's how he was born. We have to take that into consideration. That eggshell skull is a pre-existing condition. So obviously, if you had an eggshell skull and you got hit in the head and you cracked your skull, you have a better case because of your pre-existing condition. Now, the flip side to that is if you had a pre-existing condition of a bad back. And what I mean by a bad back is just maybe over time, your lifestyle, your habits, you have degenerative condition in your back. You've already had herniated discs, you have spondylosis, all of this existing, and it's known to the insurance company ahead of time because you had already seen a doctor for a bad back. Then you get into a minor fender bender, and now you're claiming, all sorts of pain and suffering, but you have the same condition as you did before, a bad back. That's where it can hurt and diminish your claim, or at least not maybe give it its full value if you hadn't had any pre-existing injury. So those are kind of two quick examples of, where a pre-existing injury could help your case and where a pre-existing injury can hurt your case. If you want to know more about the value of your case, I actually have a guide called What's My Case Worth? You can download it on our website, or you can give us a call and set up an appointment and we can talk about the value of your case.